Just a couple days ago, a snowstorm come through and dropped a whole ton of snow on us. We spent a full day clearing it all out. Today we woke up to yet another pile of snow. I knew today was going to be a lot of work, but what happens later makes it all the more worth it. My youngest Haylee saves the day.
How deep this got. So much for self-heating.
It's all cracked up. Oh, what the heck?
So in the comments of our video of building this coop and insulating and stuff, people have told us that the chickens will eventually peck at this bubble foil. They haven't done that until just now. They started ripping the foil off the sides. So very legitimate if you're putting this up. So if you just put something over it down here, they're not gonna mess with this up here. So that's what we're gonna have to do, is put something over this. Oh, it's hot. What do you think, Haley?
I like it.
No plowing fun?
Yeah.
How's my hair?
Crazy.
Man, wife, we get the easy part, don't we? Nice and warm in here, let the plow do all the work. Me and Haley are sweating, huh, Haley?
Yeah.
Yeah, we definitely got ourselves in a little pickle here. That's the big no-no when plowing. If you're trying to push too much snow real fast into your pile and your plow jumps over top of it, lands on the other side, and you can't lift it up high enough to back out, so then your truck gets stuck between it. Good job, Haley. Me and Haley's gonna go grab the Jeep. Hopefully we can get it out of the snow because it is just crazy deep. There's the Jeep. I guess I should have brought the brush, huh? Luckily we got some good four-wheel drives around here. Did you get your door open, Haley? Oh, man. Look at that. Old Trusty fired right up, Haley. It's been a long time, huh? Don't try rolling down your window because it'll break, okay? We're just gonna have to let this warm up for a bit. What do you think, Haley?
Cold.
Why don't you climb in the back, see if there's a snow brush in the back somewhere. Don't worry about your snow boots.
A shovel.
A shovel? How am I gonna do? A rake?
Rake.
No. No snow brush?
Nope.
Beautiful wife in there washing some eggs. Wow. All right, Haley, let's hook up the winch. Here's this. This is the winch cable. Don't get that end in the snow, all right? This is the winch controller, right?
Where do I hook this up at?
I'll show you. Let's go. See this plug-in right here on the side of the winch? So this arrow right here goes toward the top, and then this little groove slides in that groove. Just like that. And you gotta be careful, because look, in, you don't wanna go in when your thing's hooked up because you'll wreck your cable right here. See how it's hooked up? So we gotta go out a little bit. All right, now that it's out. All right, go ahead and press out. Now stop it a minute. Now if you look up here, Haley, see that lever right there? It says free spool. So you turn this way, like this. Now that button won't work no more, but you can freely pull this out by hand. And usually you want to do this manually when you pull it out, so you just don't get your winch hot. And then you go back over here, turn it off, free spool, then go in a bit, get tension. All right, now go ahead and jump up in the driver's seat. All right, now you gotta be careful, it's gonna try to get you to slide into me. You're gonna have to push the brake in. When you're winching in, you're going in. Pull me, right? Watch my truck. See how you're gonna slide a little? All right, you're gonna slide a little, but I'm gonna try to be driving at the same time as you're doing this. But don't be holding this down all the way. Watch my truck. All right, if you keep sliding into me, let off. Don't press out, just in. Until you start seeing my tires spin, okay? You're gonna start slowly trying to winch me. But remember, you're gonna slide. If you start sliding, then you're gonna have to stop. We'll be able to tell, all right? youngest just winched out my plow truck with the Jeep. I'm pretty proud of her. That's good stuff. I bet she'll remember that for a while, huh? Is that fun or what, Haley?
Yeah.
You should be a Jeep girl. You should be an off-road girl, huh?
Yeah.
Instead of a hot rod, Haley. Let's make an off-road hot rod. Huh? So you wouldn't think by looking at it, but I just plowed this a couple days ago. This big storm come through, and like I said, we get a lot of wind. I have to get my tractor out in order to give the sheep a round bale because they're all out. And as you can see, I got a little plowing to do. That's where I walk in to get my wood. Those boards are 4 foot high. The snow's about halfway up them, a couple feet. Probably a little farther than that. So I gotta plow this out so I can get my tractor out of there. So much for keeping my tractor out of the weather. Holy smokes. I guess we'll see if I get the tractor backed up out of here. I'll just get it warmed up while I plow a little bit because I've got to get that round bale out to the sheep. They're getting hungry. Oh, lovely. Woo! Wowzers! All right, we'll let that warm up in my hands. Finish plowing. What you think, Haley? You knew it was gonna start, didn't you? Why does it always start, Haley?
Because it's a Kubota.
Yep. Me and Haley's gonna go try getting the tractor out now so we can get the sheep some hay. Oh, man, Haley. All you gotta do is get a shovel and shovel out in front of all the buildings and stuff, huh? Looks like we're gonna get a lot of snow again tonight. Haley, you're gonna have to shovel out in front of the dad's garage door too.
Okay.
Oh man, we just missed someone's bike. Ugh. Haley, is that your bike?
Yeah. Dynamite's right there. It's parked all the way under there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Holy cow. I wonder where that big window went. I've been looking for that. Like that trick. keep twine because Autumn likes to crochet with it, or knit or something. Thanks, Haley.
Sure. Yeah! Well, I went down. You happy, Autumn?
Yeah. Are you?
No. Hey, you actually did it perfect. Here's your medal. He looks dead.